Hey bestie, we got more packages, so we're doing an unboxing. Let's get into it. First one, let's see what it is. I have so much content that I have to pull out for you guys that I keep pulling out. The content is just not coming out as fast as I would like it to. Just like this box is not opening as fast as I would like it to. This is for a toothbrush brand that I have to do a video for. Let's open it up. I might as well, right? Electric waterproof toothbrush, and it comes with changeable heads. So I took on a lot of jobs, both I took on paid collaborations, gifted collaborations, and commission-based jobs. So I have a lot of content to do for you guys. So I overwhelmed myself, but that is going to teach me how to be more organized. Get right into it. Don't complain. Next package. Okay, bestie, I know what this is. Shapewear brand. I think it's pronounced Soyanese. I gotta get back to you on that one. Look at this. Okay, so I'm gonna do some content for you guys with this. It's some and it has like the little thing so it stays up. Yeah, because the one thing I hate about shapewear is that it constantly falls. This looks like, yeah, anyways, I'm gonna save it for the video. Let me stop. Okay, yes, is it my skin tone? Save it for the video. Okay, last package. So opened it up because I wanted to see what it looked like before I showed you guys what it looked like, but we're gonna pretend like we're just not opening it up. So guys, let me show you. What is it? These are my glasses from Moon, and this is also the other commission job that I took. Super cute. So let me open them up for you guys. I'm really excited. Don't judge me. Super cute. Look at them. I had to be extra because hello, I'm extra. These are so cute. Do you see this? Save it for the video. I wanted to try them on for you guys because you know we're besties, so you guys have to see everything first before I do my little videos. How she look? Super cute. Glasses are super cute, guys. I really love big glasses, and they fit my style so well. Let me know what you guys think about the glasses. Are they cute? Am I cute? Okay, let me know in the comment section. Okay, bestie, so that's it for today. I have a couple of videos that I have to pull out for you guys, and see you guys next time.